I explain another exercise, that is the concept is comparisons of number, comparison of fraction, how to compare the fractions, the first principle is that comparison of fraction with the same numerator, with the same denominator. You know that their fraction has two parts, one is a numerator, another is a denominator. So that fraction has two parts, one has a numerator, another denominator. If the denominator is the same, both the fractions, suppose 2 by 6 and 1 by 6, then the number which has the highest numerator is greater. The fraction which is the highest numerator is greater. This is 1 by 6 and this is 2 by 6. So 2 by 6 is the greater and 1 by 6 is the smaller. Is that clear? Now, so among two fractions having the same denominator, the fraction with the greater numerator is the bigger one. The fraction with the greater numerator is the bigger one. So second question, that 2 by 5 and 3 by 5, both are 5, but 3 is bigger in 3 by 5, so it is greater. My second principle is that comparison of fraction with the same numerator. If the numerator is the same, suppose 4 by 9 and 4 by 11, then 4 by 9 and 4 by 11, among two fractions having the same numerator, the fraction with the smaller denominator, suppose 4 by 9 and 4 by 11, 9 is a smaller, so 9 is greater. In case of if the same numerator is there, then the function have the smaller denominator is greater. Third, numerator is different and denominator is also different. Then we have to find the greater number with the help of the cross multiplication method. We have to find out with the help of cross multiplication method. ऐसे करके मैं आपको अभी चैप्टर समझाऊंगा 4D 3D चैप्टर एक्सरसाइज. So question number 1, state whether the fraction is in its lowest term. ये छोटा है कि नहीं है, 12 by 20. सो ये छोटा नहीं है, इससे और भी छोटा होगा, तो हम क्या करेंगे, ऊपर नीचे एक ही नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 12 को 4 से किया, 20 को भी 4 से किया, सो इस 3 by 5. सो 3 by 5 is in lowest term. 3 by 5 in a lowest term. So 4 by 6, 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. So 2 by 3 in a lowest term. Next question is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 it is also in a lowest term. Question number 4, 6 by 7. It is in also lowest term. Question number 2, encircle the fraction which is in lowest term. So 4 by 5, 12 by 15, 40 by 50, 16 by 20. सबसे छोटा 4 by 5. You circle that 4 by 5. And question number 2, 15 by 36, 7 by 56, 4 by 57, 32 by 36. So you circle 4 by 57. 3, 9 by 42, 12 by 56, 8 by 45, 27 by 135. So 8 by 45 is smaller. Reduce in a lowest term. इसको छोटा करके लिखना है. 10 by 20. So divided by 10, both the numerator and denominator. 10 divided by 10, 1. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So now next 21 by 28. 21 divided by 7 and 28 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7 and 28 divided by 7 is 3 by 4. 30 by 42. So 30 divided by 6, 42 divided by 6 by 5 by 7. 36 by 48. 36 divided by 6, 48 divided by 6. That is 6 by 8. 6 by 8. Exercise 3D is over. Now 3D is over. Now exercise 3. If before start we go through the principle that addition of the fraction with the same denominator. Same means the like denominator. So 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4. If you do, then 4 is the same in denominator. Then you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 and denominator is 4. In this example you go through that 4 by 7 and 1 by 7. So 7 and 7 are same. 7 and 7 are same. So you plus 4 plus 1 by 7. 4 plus 1 by 7, that is 5 by 7. Third question, find the sum of 3 by 11, 4 by 11, 1 by 11. So you add all the numerator and your denominator is same, that is 11. 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 by 11, that is 8 by 11. The formula is sum of the numerator by common denominator. Common denominator, this is common denominator. Common denominator. Exercise 3 by F. 3F. 1 by 8 and 2 by 8. Same denominator. So you write here 1, you write here 2. 3 by 8. 3 by 8. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. 1, 2. That is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. By 12 plus 5 by 12, that is 3 by 12, and 5 by 12 you plus, that is 8 by 12. 2 by 7 and 4 by 7, 2 and here 4, that is 6 by 7. 1, 2, 2, 5 by 8. 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 5 by 13. If you add 10 by 13. This question is same, that is 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 we do in copy. So that do in the copy 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4.